Okay, now this video, this particular one, may take a little extra time on this one because I kind of goofed up on this problem. This is the problem number 16, solve a system of linear equations. This is the way it originally looked, okay? When I tried to work this, I found this to be more difficult than I wanted it to be for you guys. So I made a few changes. So I'm going to go, I wrote the problem here. I decided to turn this 12 into 49, and I decided to make the negative 14 a 67. Now this is, so we transform this into one that I know that has an easier solution. So let's go to Desmos and let's use Desmos to figure out what the answer is. So I'm going to click on my Desmos here, and I have a blank Desmos screen. Okay, so here we are in Desmos. Let's go ahead and enter our three equations. I have first one is x, it's supposed to be a plus y plus z equals 19. And I want to accept that slider. Okay. Then next, I'm going to enter my second equation, which is 2x plus 6y plus, I need a z here, and I want that to be equal to 49. Okay, there's my second line. Then let's put in my third line, which is 3x plus 8y plus z, and I want that to be equal to 67. Okay, and so here's the magic of how this works. I am just going to drag z until these lines coincide at a single point. So, and this one actually looks like, let's see, let's keep on going. It looks like right about here. I'm going to zoom in just so I can be more precise. Yeah, that looks pretty good. If I click on that, it looks like at the intersection where x is 10 and y is 4, we have a coincidence there. But what about z? Well, if we look, z was equal to 5. So what is the solution to our system? And I'm just going to actually type it here using a note here. Our solution is the point where x is 10, y is 4, and z is 5. And you see I wrote that, oh, that's supposed to be a 5. You see I wrote this as an order triple. Okay? Yeah, so order triple. That's what we call that. There is another way that you could also solve this system if we needed to be a little more precise. Because sometimes you have a hard time, if you have fractions and decimals, it's hard to get the answers exactly right. I picked this problem so it'd be pretty easy to see what the answer is. But what if you had some with decimals in them? So let's use the matrix calculator here. And how you get to the matrix calculator, I clicked on Desmos, go to Math Tools, and go to Matrix Calculator. And let's see how do we solve that same system with a matrix. So first of all, I need a new matrix, and it needs to be a 3 by 4. I need 3 rows and 3 columns. And what you're going to do is you're going to use just the coefficients. So this x plus y plus z equals 19 is going to be 1, 1, 1, 19. 1, 1, 1, 19. Looks like I already got it in here. I want you to see it from scratch though. 1, 1, 1, 19. Okay. The second equation, which I'll show here, is 2, 4, 1, 49. So I'm going to go 2, 1, I think I've forgotten already what that was. 2, 6, 1, 49. So 2, 6, 1. The 1 comes from being there was no coefficient in front of z, so we'll put a 1 there. And then you got a 49. Okay? And then finally, 3, 8, 1. Remember, 1z is the same as z. 47. So I need 3, 8, 1, 40, 67. 3, 8, 1, 67. All right. No points to drag here. So all I need to do is just press the return key to store that. This is the magic. Use the RREF key. RREF, or what matrix? We only have one matrix that we call A. So we'll put it in there, and boom, the answer comes out. X is equal to 10, Y is equal to 4, and Z is equal to 5. And so that's how you solve it with the matrix calculator. So this one was a little long, but I want to show you both ways.